Hey, hello and welcome to today's GFG problem of the day. Hope you're doing well. So let's say today's problem linked list matrix. Okay, so what the problem is saying is we'll be given a matrix of size n into n, and our task is to construct a 2D linked list representation of the given matrix. So what the problem is saying is we'll be given, for example, a matrix, right? A matrix with n into n size, right? 4, 5, 6. So these are just elements, integer elements. Okay. Now, okay, so this will be the given matrix. Now, what the problem is saying is we want to return a 2D linked list representation. For example, so this each element here, it is going to be of type node. Okay. And it should be pointing to the next element to the right. It should be pointing to the right element and to the down element as well. So it should be like this, for example, right? 3, 5, 6. Okay. So there should be pointer, right? There should be two pointers, which, okay, the right pointer and the down pointer. Okay. And each element, each node should be pointing to the right, node and to the down node, basically. So this is the ask. Okay. This is the ask. And the expected time complexity is O of n square and space complexity is O of n square. Okay. So I think let's code. I think you'll understand better. Okay. So before going to the code, I'll request you to subscribe to my channel, like the video. It will really be helpful to me. Thank you so much. So first I'll show Java code followed by C++. Okay. So what we want to do is, so first we're going to take the length n, right? Since it is a n by n matrix. Okay. So now what are we going to do? Let's also create, create a matrix, right? Of type node, right? Of type node. Okay. The size will be n by n. Now what we want to do is we are going to have two for loops. As you know, the time complexity is O of n square. J equal to 0, j less than. So here we have two for loops. Now what we're going to do is we are going to initialize this matrix, right? Or we are going to ingest the nodes basically. Okay, so new node, and the data will be what? Data will be from this array of ij. Okay, whatever is the element, we are basically transforming that into node. Whatever is the element, right? Integer element into node. Array of ij. Okay. So this is it. So here it is, right? So we have now in the matrix, we have all the node basically, or the elements representing in the node type. Okay, in the node type. Now, okay, so we have this. Now what we are going to do? Simply now we are going to modify the pointers. Okay. Now what we are going to do, for example, so here each mat of ij contains a node type, right? The element is the node type. Now what we are going to do, if I plus 1, if it is less than array of length, right? That is where checking the boundary check. So here what we are going to do, if it is a case, then mat of ij dot down pointer. So it has each node, if you can see here, right? Each node has a down pointer and right pointer. And since you know mat of ij contains node type, so the down pointer will point to what? Mat of I plus 1j. I plus 1 and j, basically, right? Right? So what we are doing here is, so we are, for example, right? For example, this is the node, right? What we are doing here is we are pointing this down pointer to this particular element, Okay. So that's what we are doing here. So two things you want to do. And second thing is to modify the right pointer as well. So we are going to check j plus 1. If it is less than array dot length, then mat of I j dot right equal to mat of to the element, to the node right of it, right? So that's what we are doing here. Mat of ij right will point to mat of I j plus 1. I of j plus 1. Okay. So the right pointer will point to the element on the right side, basically, on the right side of this. Okay. So this is it. And finally, what we want to do? We want to return the head, basically. So head will be what? Head mat of 0, 0 will be the head. This is it. Let's compile it. Yeah, let's submit. I hope you've got the solution. The test is a process. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Let's quickly see the C++ code as well. It's almost same. Okay, so here we are taking vector, right? Vector we are taking. Okay, the input matrix name is mat. So we have taken air here. Okay, and here what we are doing is we are creating or we are ingesting basically, or we are transforming the elements into type node, and we are initializing in the array of ij. Okay. Then once we have, so what we are doing is simply we are doing the same, modifying the right pointer and the down pointer. Okay. And finally, we are returning array of 0, 0. So this is it. I'll also attach the code in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Like the video. Have a happy, healthy, and a great day. Thank you so much.